also called as Leninism. Therefore, Marx came out with the standard philosophy of communism. Marx came out with the standard philosophy of communism. While Lenin made it applicable. Marx came out with standard philosophy of communism, while Lenin made it applicable. Therefore, Marx and Lenin, write and underline the last line. Therefore, Marx and Lenin became complementary in communist history. Marx and Lenin became complementary in communist history. Yes. Stalin did it. But then Stalin killed many people, thousands of people were killed, lakhs of people were killed. When you force the people, then also you irritate the people or not? What is the state? Presence of the people. If they are not happy by any way, the state will be in trouble. Lenin did. What you are saying, this was done by Stalin. He used to give the target. People used to work for 18 hours, 19 hours, sometimes they died while working. They were buried there only. In 1953, when Stalin died, Russians celebrated. Stalin, man of steel. उसने कोई ये सब नहीं करेगा. Production, no one will bring down the production. कितने क्विंटल गेहूं चाहिए मतलब चाहिए. फार्मर से कहा नहीं कर पाएंगे. बोला ये कैसे कहते. माओ, स्टालिन, इन लोगों ने यही काम तो किया. Anyone who refused, that is why communism will never be implemented on democratic lines, because it goes against the psychology of the people. मकान हमारा प्रिंट आपका, ये बात तो किसी को समझ में नहीं आएगी. तो communism has always acted as a check on capitalism. As a philosophy, it cannot survive. And the most successful socialist in the world, successful socialist leader, Fidel Castro, used to say, communism is a check on capital. Clear? Next study. Treaty of Versailles. State follows the formula. It suffers the people only to that extent that people should be able to live. State follows the formula of liquid oxygen. Put the people in liquid oxygen. Liquid will not allow to live, and oxygen will not allow to die. If Government of India declares tomorrow कि 30% service tax, service tax, and increases that income tax slab. Those who are earning 20,000 rupees per year, they will also give this tax. No relaxation. Rickshawalas will have to pay to income tax. Women, no relaxation to women. पर वैसा परसों रिवोल्ट हो जाए. But state follows all of them. ₹100 कमाया, ठीक ले लो. So people will adjust themselves in 70 rupees. और जब तक लोगों को खाना मिल रहा है, तब तक ये रिवोल्ट कभी नहीं करेंगे. Because people rely on the supernatural powers. Everyone. Muslims have their own story. Hindus have their own story. पर इन सबका अगर खाना बंद कर दो, कि no one has having food to eat, they will not wait for anyone. Till people are getting food, they will wait. नहीं भाई साहब, हर बुराई का अंत होता है भाई साहब. कब होगा भाई साहब? लिखा हुआ रिटन कुरान, बाइबल, गीता. जब करार नहीं बचा, कंस नहीं बचा, तो पर ये स्टेट की पॉलिसी, वो आदमी बेटा लिमिटेड 2-3 हाथ मारा, फिर थोड़ा सा रिलैक्समेंट दे दिया, छूट दे दी, कुछ रिलैक्स कर दिया, 1-2 छुट्टी बढ़ा दी साल में, पब्लिक खुश. 7 पे कमीशन ला दिए, पेट्रोल हो गया 150 रुपीज पर लीटर. अब एक तरफ तो सैलरी हो गई 50,000 और पेट्रोल हो गया 150 रुपीज पर लीटर. लेकिन आदमी खुश है कि चलो यार सैलरी तो बढ़ गई. पर कभी कभी गवर्नमेंट और लोग किसी को इतना एक्सप्लॉइट कर देते हैं ना कि ही और शी बिकम्स इनसेन. पागल हो जाता है आदमी. टू सी दैट मूवी घातक. After you see the last scene, Sunny Deol, Kafia dies, but then also he eats Kafia. Everyone is watching, everyone is afraid. No one is daring to go and stop him. Even his girlfriend does not dare. Meenakshi Shetty is standing, she is not going to stop him. Then they find that small boy. क्योंकि उनको पता है कि कितना भी पागल है, बच्चे को नहीं काटेगा. See the message of the scene. And that small boy does not go alone. He goes with the ashes of the grandfather. So he touches him and then he shows the ashes. Psychological attack. Horrible. ये काफिया जो है ना, काफिया फ्रांस, City of Architects, France is Katia and Germany is Sunny Deol. When the World War was going on, American President Woodrow Wilson came out with his 14-point program. And in this 14-point program he says that lenient action will be taken. Lenient action will be taken against surrendering powers. And when he says lenient action will be taken against surrendering powers, if you want you can draw this, I will not dictate, I have given the matter. But this treaty is very important, so I have to discuss it. Lenient action will be taken towards surrendering powers. And then in 1918, Germany surrenders. When Germany surrenders, Flammarion, the French president, he says, no lenient action. No lenient action will be taken towards Germany. America said, why? And he gave such a good defense, very good defense. First difference he gave, first reason, Treaty of Brest-Litovsk between Germany and Russia. Treaty of which year? 1917, when Russia went out of war. Both were friends, but Germany was not lenient towards friendly Russia. So France said that when Germany was not liberal to friendly Russia, there is no need to be liberal towards enemy Germany. First reason. Second reason, he says sole responsibility for First World War, Germany. True. I told you Serbia was in a submissive mood. Sole responsibility. Third reason, he wanted to take the revenge of 1871. This was a hidden reason. Battle of Sedan. Plus, the biggest reason, France is a country without resources. So he was having the eye on the resources of Germany. And then France frames the Treaty of Versailles. Important provision. First provision, Germany loses the area of resources. Rhineland, Saar, they were coal producing area, coal and iron. Germany loses African colonies. Tanzania, Togoland, Cameroon. Plus unaffordable compensation. Fine on Germany, 6,600 million pounds. £6,600 million fine on Germany. And fourth, demilitarization. Demilitarization. Ban on Air Force and Navy. The ground force of only 1 lakh. Ground force, 1 lakh. Now I'm having 10 trucks. No, I don't have any truck examples around. And every year I pay 20 lakh rupees tax to the government. In 2018, government said to me, Mr. Ojha, 50 lakhs extra apart from that 20 lakhs. I said, given. Initially food grains were going in the truck, now opium will go. Or you will get the money. Government said, no, not only 50 lakh extra, your 8 trucks will be taken away by the government. Then I will have only one option, Lashkar. उसका कोई option ही नहीं बचा. If you will take away my source of income, from where I will be able to pay you the money? And this treaty led to darkness in Germany. Which darkness? Which year? Correct. This treaty led to complete darkness in Germany. And in that darkness, a person comes with a candle in a hand. Adolf Hitler. Which darkness? Which? अरे डिप्रेशन अमेरिका में हुआ सर.